So before I begin, I want to share a little about the inspiration behind this poem. I wrote this for someone truly special to me, a person I had the privilege of meeting during my coaching journey. So it goes like, मैं उससे मिली थी library में. There we first collided. He was lost in pages and I silently guided. A fleeting glance, नज़र की तकरार. Suddenly everything felt so far. हमने शुरू किया था शब्दों से through ink, passing notes, copies like whispers would sing. The pages held secrets written so clear. In those little exchanges, I felt you near. Then one day I asked for coffee, so shy. He, in his dark blue hoodie beneath the open sky. Loose pajamas, white slippers, he stood with a smile, waiting outside like time paused for a while. We woke at 6 from coaching to library doors, then on to roadwalks, coffees, our heart flows. In this strange city with its noise and its pace, I found no safer place than you, face to face. One day he fell sick, pain on his leg. I made him favorite Maggie and coffee, the warmth we both bagged. He smiled. He smiled and said it's perfect, just like this. And from that day, every moment felt like bliss. After our paper, no matter the stress, I'd bring him Maggie and we'd laugh at the mess. I remember the day when he hid it so shy. A red rose, sundar and perfect, tucked under your sigh. He pulled it out mischievously. I kept it safe, hidden under my bed within. That night he felt like both a gentleman and more. With his naughty smile, my heart began to soar. Then came 5th May, the day of the exam, the day that felt like the world was suddenly jam. I knew the calm would fade and we'd have to part. But I carried you, your rose, inside my heart. When our paths diverged and we went our ways, my heart shattered in silence as I counted the days. I remembered the moment, the warmth of your hand. Now my heart feels come so, baby, lost in a distant land. I wonder, will we meet again or is this the end? Will you come back? Or was I just a fleeting friend? But the day has came when fate brought us near. He is hearing my words and said quietly, here. I want you to know I've missed you so much, and in your achievements I feel your touch. Though the path ahead may be unclear, but I'm happy for you and I hold you dear. I don't know how far this journey will go, but I hope to see you continue to grow. Every touch of you tingles through my veins. The cravings I hold, it haunts me in chains. I've been going mad, lost in the days. Without you near, my soul would decay. I miss the warmth of your hand in mine, the gentle touch so pure and divine. Your fingers entwined with my own, a quiet comfort where love is sown. I long for your arms around me, to feel your heartbeat so wild and free. The way you held me so tight, your embrace a refuge through the night. If you had not come today, my heart would break in endless dismay. So I just want to thank him for coming, but unfortunately he didn't came.